RPG show. Look at this. She's a great human hair wig. I just took this out of the box, put it on and said, hello there, Mel B. This is the hair that I used to have way back in the day. The color, this was my original bio color hair, and there's no way I could ever get this again, except now I can simply by slipping on a wig and slipping on this beautiful Dominique 005. So take a look at it, would you? It has this face framing layers already in it. I love the way that the bangs, I was just able to sweep it over. What I did is to show you right out of the box. I just missed it. I can use my airbrush just to comb it out from the box here. But this is gorgeous. Let me turn around for you. This color in Dominique 005 just has lots of dimension, and it reads a little bit more warm, and in the daylight when the sun is directly on it. On camera I saw that it looked a little bit cooler, so that's going to play off depending the lighting that you're in, and if it's picking up more of the, the shades of cool that they put through it, ash with the warmth and the rooting, so you'll get it to pick up different color lighting. Let's talk about the density. This is 180, but to me it reads, I don't know, it compares to some of my 120 wigs because it's not thick. To me, it's just the perfect amount to look really natural for me. I like that. And it has a glueless, right? It's a glueless cap. And I'm going to show you some little bit of pictures I took here of the inside of the cap. So it does have little combs that Velcro, and you can just take them right out. It's cut up around the ear, so you don't have a lot of bulk around the back of the ear. It also has, and you cut the lace off. I've already cut the lace, as you can see. And I like the fact that it has a drawstring closure in the back, because you can pull it tighter if it's a little bit loose on you. This runs a 21.5 to 22 in the size that I'm wearing. So you can order different sizes for you. Just know your measurement. And it's silky. It's so silky. It feels so good. I'm just loving it. And again, these face framing layers is great. Let me show you on the lace. It has the 10x6 Glueless Swiss lace closure wig, and the lace color is called a transparent Swiss lace. So you can see it is very lightly, see that around the hairline, how lightly it's has the hair in, so it looks really natural. Loving this. Okay, now I hope you will check it out. I'm going to leave a link below with a discount code, and check out this Dominique 005 from RPG Show. And this next part I'll share with you is how to order on RPG's website. Let's now take a look at how you're going to order Dominique and customize it to exactly the way that you want this beautiful human hair wig. So you're going to pull up, there will be a link below in the description under the video. Click the ... more. Go there, click on it to get the details. You can pull it up while you're watching this to be able to see all the different ways that you can customize this wig exactly the way that you want this. So one of the first things, I pulled up Dominique, and the base price with no extra bells and whistles or any modifications to it, it's running like $379.99 on the website right now. I don't know what it will be when you look at it, but it can always change a year from now, 2 years from now, of what the price of a wig might be. So right now, that's what it is. So it's always a good time to buy, right, when it's at this best price. Okay, let's take a look at the different things that you can add on. Now remember, things that you're going to add on will add a little bit at extra price, and I'll try to mention it here lightly. And then I'll put some photographs so you can see more close up. I took some pictures earlier on my telephone from the website, and then I'll drop them in as you're watching this, okay? So right now, as you can know, this is a 14-inch that I have, and it's champagne blonde, and this one says hair density 200. So you can go down, 200 is usually around max, but this they said was a 180. I don't know, compared to a lot of my other wigs, maybe 180 up here, but this one's thinned out, so you're not getting that big, thick weight and blockiness, so it's gets thinner as it goes down. I think that's a lot more natural. You're not gonna have to go and have it thinned out anywhere, don't you think? I think it just already looks really perfect. And then you're going to be able to, it's already got this face framing layers in it. I like that. The bangs, I'm wearing it swept over with more of a left part, but you can go center, right, and you can bring your bangs straight across and have those cut or cut them yourself. The other thing is then let's take a look at this. They also has that afterpay, so you can pay it in payments, installments. That's always nice. Hair color. This is actually can be in jet black or a natural black hair color or hair color like the picture, just like this, where they go in and lighten it and put in this beautiful color and still has really nice rooting in it. The other thing is you can get it in from a 10-inch to a 14-inch. So a 10-inch, of course, is usually the base price you're seeing, and then for every inch, like a 12-inch, you add $10, 14-inch, you add $40. So not a big thing there. This is called Silky, is the hair texture. And as you're looking at, this is a pre-plucked hairline, right? So it's really light around the scalp, so it doesn't have just that straight line, dense look to it. You can get a deep pre-plucked hairline, and that's an extra $20, or what's called a Lagos hairline, and that's an extra $30. Takes a little bit more time. Now remember, when you're ordering your wig and getting some of this customization on it, be patient while they work on it and do these extras for you to ship it out to you. The other thing that you can choose is a light bleach, or you can get a deep bleach for another $20. So if you don't want to see any roots whatsoever, they can do a deep bleach to it. Just keep in mind that when you're getting a deeper bleach, it could cause your hair to not last as long. It's more easy that it's going to come out later on. It's just because it gets thinned out there when it's deeply bleached. So just keep that in mind. You know, if you're wearing bangs and all, why worry about getting the deep bleach done? So that's just my thought, throwing that in there. You also can get different scalp colors, which is brilliant. So if you're wanting to have a beige, this one has a beige, it's extra 10. Light brown fake scalp is $10, a medium brown $10, or a nude fake scalp is $10. So those are different things, or you can just say, I don't need the fake scalp, you know, up here in the cap. So, but something you could add to make it very special for you. The lace color, you can pick your lace color. I love this tinted transparent, which is a Swiss lace in a light brown. So if you're darker skin, you're going to be able to get a darker color. A light brown, you can even go darker to a medium brown, or you can do like this one, which is transparent Swiss lace. Is suitable for fair skin tones. The other thing is to adjustable drawstring. Now mine has adjustable drawstring in it, and that extra $5 if you want that, or you don't want any drawstring at all. And then the wig cap color. So those are good. There's pictures here. I hope I took a screenshot and I'll put it up here, but it's where the cap is basically a beige, a medium brown, or a dark brown, depending again on your skin tone and your scalp color. You can get it to match you. So many things that you can customize with RPGSHOW to get the wig exactly customized the way that you want it, that you can go as high as bells and whistles as you want. So this is a great wig at already a great starting price. Even when you add on all the bells and whistles, great price. Check it out. Link below in the description below the video. .. more right below the video, and you'll see all the details there.